Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Wow, absolutely beautiful color switch up and bob haircut transformation. So today's video is going to feature 6 haircut transformations. Here we have someone who is getting a bob haircut complete with bangs. So the brows with this one in just above the eyebrows. Looks like the stylist is doing a gorgeous chin length style bob, gorgeous structure, beautiful blunt cut with this one. Moving on to look number 3, she starts off with shoulder length hair. And it looks like the stylist gave her a beautiful micro style bob as well. Nice cascading back. And he really added some nice volume to her thin hair. She looks amazing. Moving on to the next hair transformation. So this one is going to feature a nice lob haircut. Nice, classic, simple haircut. The next haircut is also going to feature another bob. Beautiful off-center part, nice cascading back with that one as well. And the next hairstyle looks like it will feature a beautiful pixie undercut. Wow, she ended up dyeing her hair pink as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, don't forget to check out this video next.